Hey guys, welcome back. It has been a very long time since I did a video like this. I've been doing just like kind of vlog style kind of videos, and I thought it was time for me to sit on my desk with the background and just like do how I used to do it, because I got a new wig. And you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, you guys know I used to be obsessed with wigs and still am. So I got a new wig, and everyone used to love looking at watching my wig videos, and so did I. And I got a new one and I'm so excited to open this. Haven't opened it at all yet, so we're gonna open it, try it all together, and we're gonna look at it. Really quick, this is one of my favorite bodysuits as of right now. It is double lined, so incredibly soft, and they are less than like 30 bucks. I'll put the link down below. I have 4 other colors because of how much I love it. But anyways, moving on. So this one is obviously Uniwigs. I have so many wigs from Uniwigs. I also have a bunch of them on my YouTube channel, so you could go and you could search like Courtney's one wigs or Uniwigs, and you would see all of the ones that I have. So let's open this one and see how it goes. All right, so starting off, their packaging has definitely changed. I love this cute little bag that they came with, and then the cute little box. Oh, I love that challenge. I just love the packaging for this. It is adorable. So again, I haven't seen what the wig looks like in person yet. I saw it online and I was like, she's gonna be mine. So it comes with the wig cap. Has a couple of little stickers here. The thank you card comes with the knot eraser, so they didn't have that last time I had that, so that's definitely something new. It tells you like the steps to take to make the knot eraser tape. Cool. Okay, and then it comes with this very cute little bag. Put this on the floor. All right, so let's open this, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like in person. Oh, she's pretty. Look at this. Ah, oh, she's soft. She is soft. She is very soft. Okay, first impression, I love the color. Absolutely love the color. It looks exactly what it looked like on the website. So pretty. All right, let's open this. We're gonna take that guy off. Okay, I'm gonna take all these pieces out. How perfect is that blend? So this blends so well. I'm obsessed with this wig. I cannot wait to put it on my head. So in the wig, you can see they have 2 clasps here to clip that together, and then one down here with this guy down here. I don't know if you can see that. And then there are little straps, and then they have 2 little straps here that you can make it tighter if need be. And then they have this here that you can attach here for like depending on how like the size you want. So since the last time I got a Uniwig, these have definitely improved, which is crazy because the original is great as well. So the original, I cannot wait to put this on and just like feel how snug it is, and I absolutely love the color. I am not gonna cut the lace until I put all of it on my head, so let's get started. So normally I don't wear one of these. I'm gonna do it anyways just because my hair is kind of a mess. They also come with 2, so I'm gonna put my hair, I just washed my hair yesterday and I didn't feel like straightening it, so this is kind of what we've got underneath the cap. So I just washed my hair yesterday, and so it's kind of a mess. It's heavy, it's textured, it's frizzy, it's like needs to be brushed. But so I'm not even gonna use like a hair tie or anything. I'm just gonna kind of put it like this, And then I'm gonna put it right in the cap in here. So I'm gonna start it in here. And then I'm just gonna kind of bring it in to the top. I don't know how other people do it this way, but this is my lazy way, and it's just easier for me not to have a hair tie in it, and it just kind of fits. All right, we're ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna put this in. This is gonna be the first time putting it on, so we're gonna see how it goes and see how it fits, and if I need to use the things on the side to make it tighter or things like that. So we're gonna put this bad boy right on. So first impression so far, it is tight, which is perfect. That's what you want when you have a wig. It's horrible if you have a wig that's like way too big and then it won't stay on your head. So this is absolutely perfect so far. Like you can see on the sides, fits perfectly here. On this side, fits perfectly here. I still have my curly hair underneath it, so that needs to be fixed a little bit, but. All right, so here it is. Right from the box. I have not straightened it, curled it, nothing, and it is beautiful. Look how flat this is. Like, it does not look like I'm wearing a wig like down here. It is perfect. The color of the wig is absolutely gorgeous. They did an amazing job with like the highlights and everything. It is very, very soft. I think it looks so good. It is so incredibly sturdy as well. Like it is tight, but like the perfect amount of tightness with this wig. So as I had showed, they do have this. This is for your part here if you want it to be like perfectly where you can't see like the knots or whatever. For me, I think as of right now, it looks fine. I don't think I even need this, but they do give this to you if you would like it. And it shows you exactly like how you should be cutting and putting it, which is really, really nice. What you would do is you'll just be cutting the lace around. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to cut the lace here, and then I'll show you guys the final look. All right, so the lace is off. What are your thoughts? I think this is my new favorite wig. I love the color, I love the length. It is so incredibly tight to your head that it will not fall off whatsoever, as I had said multiple times. This is phenomenal. Like, this is an amazing wig. So if you guys are in the market for a wig, this should be your wig. It is perfect in every single way. I also love that I didn't have to curl it at all or straighten it or do anything. Like, this is right from the box. So like, it doesn't need to be fixed at all unless you like want it to be straight or things like that. But I like can't stop putting my hands through it because it is so incredibly soft. I will put the link for this wig down below, and just the Uniwig in general. You will absolutely love this wig, or just Uniwig in general. Trust me, just trust. So I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know down below what other videos you guys would like. I have been doing more like vlog style videos, but let me know if you guys still like these like sitting in a room and discussing and talking. Like I used to do my makeup videos like this all the time. Just let me know what you would like. Do you like it this way? Do you like it more of the vlog slides? Do you like both of them? I'd like to hear what your thoughts are. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. And then also my Instagram is there as well. So I will have my like to know it down in the description bar as well. Also for my Amazon storefront. So all those good things. And then also where we got this shirt, because it is absolutely perfect. Again, as I said, I have 4 or 5 different colors. But I love you guys so, so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.